Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important topics. Name of the topic is incubation period of diseases. Incubation period of various diseases will be discussed in this video. Disease, their causative organism and incubation period. So this information will be given in this video. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university institutes, MPH, Master of Public Health and MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management for various university and institutes like ICMR, Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, UT, PG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER, Pondicherry, Christian Medical College, Vellore, IIPH, NIMHANS, Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, Jaipur, Kaloji Narayani University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So in this video, information regarding incubation period of various diseases will be discussed. First is name of the disease, then causative organism, and then their incubation period IP. First disease is here smallpox. Causative organism of smallpox is variola virus. Variola virus is the causative organism of smallpox and its incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Second number disease, next disease is chickenpox. Causative organism for chickenpox is human alpha herpes virus 3. And its incubation period is 14 to 16 days. Next disease is measles rubella. Causative organism for measles rubella is RNA paramyxovirus and its incubation period is 10 to 14 days. Next disease is rubella, German measles. Causative organism is RNA toga virus and its incubation period is 14 to 21 days. Next disease is mumps. Causative organism is RNA myxovirus and its incubation period is 14 to 21 days. Next disease is influenza. Causative organism is orthomyxovirus and its incubation period is 18 to 72 hours. Next disease is diphtheria. Causative organism is Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Incubation period is 2 to 6 days. Next disease is pertussis, whooping cough. Incubation causative organism is Bordetella pertussis. Bordetella pertussis is the causative organism for pertussis, whooping cough, and its incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Next disease is meningococcal meningitis. Its causative organism is Neisseria meningitis, and incubation period is 3 to 4 days. Next disease is SARS, SARS. Causative organism. The causative organism for SARS is coronavirus and its incubation period is 3 to 5 days. Next disease is tuberculosis. Causative organism for tuberculosis is Mycobacterium tuberculosis and its incubation period is week to years. So weeks to years is the incubation period for tuberculosis. And causative organism is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Next disease is poliomyelitis. Name of the disease is poliomyelitis and its causative organism is poliovirus and its incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Next disease is hepatitis A. Its causative organism is enterovirus 72 picornavirus and its incubation period is 15 to 45 days. Next disease hepatitis B. Causative organism Hepatina virus and its incubation period is 45 to 180 days. Next disease is hepatitis C. Causative organism is Hepa C virus, and its incubation period is 45 to 180 days. So Hepa C virus, so its incubation period is 30 to 122 days. This is I'm repeating again. Name of the disease hepatitis C. Causative organism Hepa C virus, and its incubation period is for Hepa C virus 30 to 120 days. Next disease is hepatitis D. Hepatitis D, and causative organism for hepatitis D is Delta virus. Incubation period is 30 to 90 days. Next disease is hepatitis E. Hepatitis E, causative organism is Calici virus. Incubation period is 21 to 45 days. Next name of the disease is thyroid fever. Incubation causative organism for thyroid fever is Salmonella typhi, and its incubation period is 10 to 14 days. Next name of the disease is Staphylococcus food poisoning, and its causative organism is Staphylococcus aureus, and incubation period is 1 to 6 hours. Next disease is Ascariasis. Causative organism is Ascaris lubricoides. Incubation period is 2 months. Next disease is Ankylostomiasis hookworm. Its causative organism is duodenal, and its incubation period 5 weeks to 9 months. Next disease is guinea worm Draculaeasis. Its causative organism Draculaeus medinensis, and its incubation period 1 year. Next disease is dengue. Causative organism is arbovirus, and its incubation period is 3 to 10 days. Next disease is malaria. Causative organism is Plasmodium vivax, and its incubation period is 8 to 17 days. Next disease is malaria. Causative organism is Plasmodium falciparum. Incubation period is 9 to 14 days. Next disease is malaria. Causative organism is Plasmodium malaria, and incubation period is 18 to 14 days. Next disease is malaria. Causative organism is Plasmodium oval, and its incubation period is 16 to 18 days. Next name of the disease lymphatic filariasis. Causative organism is Wucheria bancrofti. Incubation period is 8 to 16 months. Next disease is rabies. Causative organism is Lassa virus type 1, rhabdovirus. Incubation period is 3 to 8 weeks. Next name of the disease is yellow fever. Causative organism is flavivirus fabricus. Incubation period is 2 to 6 days. Next name of the disease is Japanese encephalitis. Causative organism is group B arbovirus flavivirus. Incubation period is 5 to 15 days. Next name of the disease is KFD. Causative organism is arbovirus flavivirus. Incubation period is 3 to 8 days. Next name of the disease chikungunya fever. Causative organism is chikungunya virus arbovirus A. Incubation period is 4 to 7 days. Next name of the disease is leptospirosis. Causative organism is Leptospira interrogans. Incubation period 4 to 20 days. Next name of the disease bubonic plague. Causative organism Yersinia pestis. Incubation period is 2 to 7 days. Next name of the disease is Pneumonic plague, causative organism Yersinia pestis, incubation period 1 to 3 days. Next name of the disease septicemic plague, causative organism Yersinia pestis, incubation period 2 to 7 days. Next name of the disease scrub typhus, causative organism Rickettsia susogomasi. Rickettsia susogomasi is the causative organism for scrub typhus and incubation period is 10 to 12 days. Next name of the disease Q fever, causative organism Coxiella burnetii, incubation period 2 to 3 days. Next disease is Teniasis tapeworms, causative organism T. solium T. saginata, incubation period 8 to 14 weeks. Next disease is Leishmaniasis Kala Ajar, causative organism L. donovani, incubation period is 1 to 4 months. Next disease is trachoma, causative organism Chlamydia trachomatis, incubation period 5 to 12 days. Next disease is tetanus, causative organism Clostridium tetani, incubation period 6 to 10 days. Next disease is yaws, causative organism Treponema partenio, incubation period 3 to 5 weeks. Next disease is HIV or AIDS, causative organism HIV HTLV third LAV, incubation period months to 10 years. Next disease is swine flu, causative organism H1N1 type A influenza, incubation period is 1 to 4 days. So 1 to 4 days is the incubation period for swine flu. Causative organism is H1N1 type A influenza. Next name of the disease is Crimean Congo fever, causative organism norovirus, incubation period 1 to 3 days. That disease is Nipah virus, causative organism Hendra virus, incubation period 14 to 16 days. Next disease is Ebola virus, causative organism Ebola virus, incubation period for Ebola virus 2 to 21 days. Next disease is anthrax, causative organism Bacillus anthracis, incubation period 1 to 7 days. Next disease is brucellosis, incubation period Bacillus melantensis, incubation period 5 to 60 days. Next disease is Zika virus disease, causative organism Zika virus, incubation period 3 to 14 days. Next disease is H7N5 avian influenza, causative organism H7N5 type A influenza, incubation period 1 to 10 days. So in this video, information regarding incubation period for various diseases and their causative organism has been discussed. This video is very useful for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration entrance exams. So these are very important topics for entrance exam for the preparation of MPH, Master of Public Health, and MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management for various university and institutes like ICMR, CUTPG, AIMS, JIPMER, CMC Vellore, IIPH, Nimhas, Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.